In this tutorial series, we will work on the Northwind database. The first step to work on the database is to import the data. Data comes in various forms. It could be a CSV file, it could be a .dat file, or it could be an SQL file dump. Let's begin by looking at the Northwind data and importing it. Northwind is one of the classical databases shipped by Microsoft along with the Microsoft Access application. As we can see in the entity relationship diagram, it's a database with customer information along with product and their orders information. Also, we have suppliers, categories, and shippers. This database is available in .sql format. So let's first download this. Now that we have the file in our computer, we can go to pgadmin and import it. In order to import the file in pgadmin, first of all, we need to create a database. We right-click on our Postgres and click Database. Here we specify the name of the database, which we specify to be Northwind, and we save it. Now that we have the database, we can see under schemas and under tables that there is nothing, because this is an empty database or an empty file that we have created. Now we can import the file that we have just downloaded. And to do this, you can select your Northwind data, right click, and go to Query tool. Rearrange the windows a little bit. And here you can open the file to import it. Go to Downloads, select the Northwind PostgreSQL and open. It opens the file, and as you can see here, it is basically comprising of commands to create tables and then add data to it. Now you can run the file and the query returned successfully in 340 milliseconds. The data has been imported. You can verify that your data has been imported by looking at the tables again. And as we can see here, there are 15 tables now. And these tables correspond to the tables specified in the entity relationship diagram that we saw earlier. We have categories, customer demo, graphics, customers, employees, shippers, suppliers, and so on and so forth. You can also click on any of these tables and view or edit the data to see the data in its raw form. So let's have a look at the first 100 rows. And here you can see the data. So in this way, you can use the query tool in pgadmin to import the data dump from a .sql file.